Hello and welcome back to another video on Unpacked Technologies. In this video, I'll be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge. This is one of the latest phones in Samsung's lineup of flagship models, and it came out around 2 months ago, offering a super thin form factor. So let's get straight into it. Alright, so this particular phone I picked up on a promotion. It was almost 50% off, so it was a deal that I thought I just had to take, and we're going to give it a go. So I've been a long time iPhone user, but I wouldn't mind giving a modern Android a go. I have had a few goes in the past, but I want to actually put my SIM card in and see what it's like using a modern Android, this particular one being a Samsung with One UI 7 going into One UI 8. So before we get into the unboxing, we'll just take a look around the box. As I mentioned before, this is their super thin model, so they are showing off that edge on the front here. I think it's around 5.6 millimeters thick or something like that, around that super thin mark, so it's really great. It seems to be a trend coming up that there's going to be a lot of thin smartphones, with the iPhone 17 Air rumored to come out later this year and all that sort of stuff, so this is really starting the trend. So on the front here we have a picture of the phone itself, followed by Galaxy S25 Edge. On the right hand side it just says Samsung. On the top there's nothing. On the left-hand side, there's just a side view of the phone. And then on the back, there's just some regulatory information. And on the bottom, there's some other information as well. So we'll get straight into the unboxing process here. We'll start by peeling these pull tabs. And we'll open it up. And there is the S25 Edge itself on top. We can just take that out. And immediately I can feel the thinness, and we'll take a closer look at that in a moment. We'll just look at what else we get inside the box as well. Nothing on the bottom there. If we take out this little card on the inside, just some more stuff here. So we've got a SIM ejector tool. We've got the option for Samsung Care Plus, how to open the SIM tray, and some other package contents there. And then we've also got a USB-C to C cable there. So that's all that we get in there. I'll put all that to the side for now. And that's pretty much all that we get in the box. So put all that there. Pretty minimal unboxing experience, and we'll have a look at the phone itself. So we'll peel off this protector here. There we go. Put that to the side for now. And we can see the Galaxy S25 Edge itself. All right, so taking a brief look around the device, you can see on the front, we've got that 6.7-inch display, corner to corner, the OLED display taken straight from the Galaxy S25 Plus. So it's very impressive on a phone that is this thin. And when we turn it to the side, you can see that 5.8 millimeter thick form factor. It is very impressive. So on the left-hand side, there's nothing except a couple of antenna bands. On the top, there's just a couple of microphone holes, I believe, and more antenna. On the right-hand side, we've got the volume rocker and the power sleep wake button. On the bottom is just the USB-C port, SIM tray, and the speaker. And then on the back, we've got the Samsung logo, and we've also got the 200 megapixel main lens taken straight from the S25 Ultra, as well as a 12 megapixel ultra wide and a flash. Unfortunately, it does miss out on the telephoto lens. And as you can see, this is the titanium jet black color. So these are titanium rails, and it comes in that titanium color with the frosted back. So it all looks quite smart overall, and it is a very impressive design. However, I can see already there's smudges all over the display. That's one thing it does miss out on as well, is the anti-reflective coating that is on the Ultra model. So it definitely will be a little bit more reflective, and you will probably notice those smudges slightly more. But other than that, this is a very impressive phone, and I am quite enjoying the form factor already. It feels very light, even compared to my iPhone 15 Pro. So I'm excited to use it a little bit more and get an idea of what it's like to use on a daily basis. And with that, thanks for watching this video on Unpacked Technologies. Hopefully this video was helpful in giving you a good idea of the unboxing process of the Galaxy S25 Edge and whether you might want to pick up one for yourself. As I said, it was an amazing deal, almost getting this half price. So very impressive for a phone that's only 2 months old. But definitely let me know down below if you'd like to see a full review of this phone once I've used it for a little bit longer. Definitely if it shows up on discount, it's worth checking out. But I will be especially keen to see how the battery holds up, especially with it only being a 3,900 milliamp hour cell due to that thinness, especially when the S25 Ultra has 5,000 milliamp hours and many phones are even exceeding that at this point. So we'll see how we go getting through a day, but definitely let me know if you want to see more of a review of this phone, because I'm more than happy to make that if you'd like to see that. And with that, thanks for watching this video on Unpacked Technologies. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video.